Vista for July 1st for Denton Farmpark's second tractor pull today. We're all excited here at Mountain Vista that we're on the tractor route this year. We've been working on this for about 4 days, so we're excited and we're ready for them to roll in.
Rolling on, all right, thank you. This is a 23-mile parade, 100 tractor parade. Kick off the thresher tomorrow, 2013 Union Farmpark, July the 2nd. Coming through Mount Vista here. Show these folks here at Mount Vista. A lot of them stay here, remember and use a lot of these tractors. Bunch of John Deere's and this thing here look like so far. There's a big tractor. Yeah, boy. Looking good. There's a Tim around all this thing trying to get them going. There's the sponsor of it. Sponsor of this parade. From here, from Mount Vista, they're going down to downtown Denton. Park at the Classic, then they'll be going to over to Harrison Park for some dedications, then on the Hilling Springs, back down to Leak Creek, back into the Farmpark, and the Thrasher starts July the 2nd, which will be tomorrow, 2013. I like this, Kaylee. Brown. 8 in 4. Still rolling here at Mount Vista Health Park. There's the one they having to pull that one in. They just decided to hook a chain to it, drag it on in. That's the way to do it. There you go, big boy. What's going on? Still rolling. Got 100 of these bad boys coming through here. They're everywhere. They're just like Santa Claus. Wow. Little John Deere doing his hicking. There's the Hilling Springs Fire Department there. You look good on that thing, buddy. good on this thing here, this boy. What's going on, bud? All the types, all models, anything you want out here. We'll get some seed in the ground so we can get it up. Together here, ain't it? Looking good, they're rolling on. Go, later, drag it.
They pull up, grab them.
Whoop. Everybody enjoys this thing. Like to say anything else?
It was great. I think it was great. I think we all enjoyed it.
We'd like for them to do it again,
We'll be ready next year.
All right, thank you very much. Then they come down down the hill in Springs at number 8, Denton Road down to number 8. Now they're coming in here at Clear Springs Church. '13 second annual 100 tractor parade, 23 miles out of the farm park. Left farm park around 9 this morning, about 1 now. Coming into Clear Springs United Methodist Church, sponsoring this rest stop. Healing Springs Fire Department manning this intersection and church intersection here where they're coming in. They're going to have a little rest off here.
Good to see you here today. That's made my day. What tractor you driving?
I'm just taking videos and pictures.
Oh, well, good. Good.
Yeah. And what's your name? People that don't know.
Charlie Brown.
No, come on.
Stan Bingham.
Senator Stan Bingham out of Raleigh. Wow. You got anything?
No, out of Denton.
Yeah, you from Denton, but
Yes, sir.
you're based in Raleigh.
But I represent the folks here in Denton.
Yeah, that's right.
In Raleigh.
Well, you do a good job.
Well, you're kind.
Well,
Everybody doesn't say that same comments, but anyway.
well, I've got some stuff, you know, I don't agree with, but you know,
That's right.
everybody's got disagreement.
There
Tam,
you go.
let's talk about this tractor ride y'all down here
Well,
for.
I'm not in the tractor
Yep.
ride, but
Well, we're just glad
You
that
talk about it,
Stan
Tim.
come meet us here at Clear Spring Church. He's getting ready to do a presentation to Brian Goins for his accomplishment with the Special Olympics. He's a global messenger, and we're getting ready to start the presentation on that. Had a good day here. Early this morning it was pouring down rain, and it was scary that we'd even have any tractors, but we've had a real good turnout today.
A little cooler ride.
Yeah,
On account the
coolest-
sun wasn't bearing down.
Coolest ride you could ask for.
considering it's 130 degrees in the west, it's nice to be here where it's 75.
That's exactly
Lets you
right.
appreciate good old North Carolina.
And coming through Mount Vesta was a blessing for
Yeah.
them people. We got them out there. My mother's up there, and
Y'all
yeah,
rode
and,
through there?
yeah, they went through there,
Oh, I bet they appreciate all these old
and they
tractors.
really enjoyed it. The ones that
Yeah.
got it out to see it.
I'm gonna tell you what, if you could have seen the smiles when I turned the corner there, it was worth the ride to see that, because to see them folks really smile seeing all the tractors come through.
Yeah.
Well, good.
Stan, you want to say something a little more? Or I'm
No,
gonna
I
get-
have nothing else to say other than
You glad to be here, ain't you?
I'm glad to be here and glad to be representing Denton, North
All
Carolina,
right.
and Montgomery County.
The Special Olympics of Davidson County. This day, this 4th day of July, 2013. And there's the signature of the Lieutenant Governor, he signed it, Bill Barger, who's the President Pro Tem of the Senate, and then your own dingbat Senator, Stan Dean. Okay? And this is, I'm going to present this to you, if you can frame that or do whatever you wish with it. It has a lot of special significance, and I'm delighted to get it. Oh, wait, I think they're going to take a picture.
Tim, sit in there. Sam, there you go.
There we go.
All right. I want that big smile, Brian. Are you ready? There you go. Thank you. That's right.
All right. Recognize you for what you've done.
We receive this on behalf of Special Olympics Smile.
Well,
I've been with it for 33 years.
you've been with a long time. This is my pleasure. Take care of yourself. Well, all these awards. Okay. Thank you, Brian. Okay.
Right, you need something to drink?
That's a drop today.
Snack, you need a little something right on there?
Who is this? I was going to take you on, but now I see who you are, I've changed my mind. How you been? I didn't realize you was going to be driving one of these tractors. Or you...
I'm leaving.
Rolling on.